For civil engineering came new app. This app name is Construction Calculate Eokati app. And next open the app and log in with Google. You can open here, you can see different types of building construction. See construction cost, concrete and paint. Infrastructure, see now rail construction, road construction and water supply system. Metal and fabrication and general. See now here quantity, area, volume, converter and study and quiz. Now construction of area total up to building slab example. 1500. Next see here construction cost 1 square feet 1200. Project duration 6 months. Next calculate. Now you can see here all types of material, quality and unit. See down here work, amount and unit. Again see down here total amount of construction cost 18 lakshalu. Next open the concrete. See here different types of column, footing, staircase and wall. This app used to all engineerings and new building construction. One building construction, how many cement bags, sand, water and steel. All we can know in this app.